Hi students, hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to study slope of parallel and perpendicular lines. In the previous session, we have studied the slope of a line segment, okay? First of all, condition of parallelism. It means when two lines are parallel. On the analytical plane, let D1 and D2 be two parallel lines as seen in the figure. As you see in the figure, D1 and D2 are two lines which have same angle with x-axis, okay? They never intersect each other. So their slopes are equal. M1 is equal to M2, okay? If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal, okay? Do not forget this relation. Okay, example. Given the points A, B, C, and D, and these are the coordinates, okay? If the lines A, B, and C, D, it means A, B, C, D, they are parallel to each other, find M. We have said that D1 if parallel with D2, so M1 is equal to M2. So if AB, line AB is parallel with line CD, so slope of AB will be equal to slope of CD. So we have A point with x1 and y1 coordinate. So what's x1 and y1? M minus 1 and 3. And also we have point B here with coordinate x2 and y2, 2m and 1. Okay, it means x2 is 2m, y2 is 1. And also in here we have point C. When we say slope of CD, C comes first, so C is x1 and y1. So what's the values of x1 and y1? 3 and m. And also we have D, x2 and y2 with coordinates of 4 and m plus 3. So what should we do? We should find the slope of line AB and CD. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 of AB line will be equal to of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 of line CD. So what's y2 here? 1 minus y1 is equal to 3. Okay, what's x2? x2 is 2m minus what's x1? m minus 1. Okay, is equals to what's y2? y2 is m plus 3 minus m, okay, over x2 4 minus x1 is 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2, okay, over 2m minus m plus 1. Okay, this minus we are going to multiply with each term, okay, is equal to m cancels with m because it's positive and it's negative. So 3 over 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, okay, minus 2 over 2m minus m is equal to m plus 1 is equal to 3. So we are going to multiply numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second, and also numerator of the second fraction with the denominator of first fraction. So we get 3 times m plus 1 is equal to 1 times minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So after multiplying 3m plus 3 is equal to minus 2, 3m is equal to, we move 3 to the right hand side of the equation, so we get minus 5. So m is equal to minus 5 over 3. Okay, when they are parallel to each other, this m is minus 5 and over 3. So if we substitute this m inside of instead of these m's, okay, if we give the value, so we will get the coordination which these lines are parallel, okay. Second, condition of perpendicularity. The condition of perpendicularity is if d1 is perpendicular to d2, okay, so m1 times m2 is equal to -1. Example, given the point m, 2k plus 1 and -5, and also n with coordination of 3 and -2 and k with coordination of -1 and -3. If the line mn and nk are perpendicular to each other, find k, okay? So, when mn perpendicular to nk, okay, then their slopes are, it means slope of mn times slope of nk will be -1, okay? So what's the slope of mn? We have m with coordinate x1 and y1, which is 2k plus 1 and -5. We have n x2 and y2, which is 3 and -2, okay? This is m and n. So we have also n and k. So we have n again because n comes first, so it's x1 and y1. And here n came at the last, so it's x2 and y2, and n comes first, so it's x1 and y1 is equal to 3 and -2. What's k? K is equal to x2 and y2, which is -1 and -3. So in order to find the slope of m and n, what's the slope? y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And here also y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So slope of mn will be equal to, what's y2? y2 is -2 minus -5, okay, minus y2 minus y1 over 3 x2 minus 2k plus 1, and also slope of nk is equal to y2 minus 3 minus y1 is -2 over x2 is -1 minus 3. So -2 plus 5 is equal to 3 over 3 minus 2k plus 1, 3 minus 2k plus 1, which equals to 3 over 2 minus 2k, okay? This is the slope of mn. Slope of mk, okay, this equals to -3 plus what? 4. -3 plus 2 is equal to -1 over -1 minus 3 is equal to -4. So minus cancels with minus is equal to 1 over 4. So we have to write 1 over 4 times 3 over 2 minus 2k. 2 minus 2k will equal to -1. So multiplication of fractions. 1 times 3 is equal to 3, okay? Over 4 times 2 minus 2k will be equal to -1, okay? 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 2k is equal to 8 minus 8k will be equal to -1. So we have to multiply like this. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So -1 times 8 is equal to -8. -1 times -8k will be +8k. Okay? We move -8 to the left hand side of the equation. So 8 plus 3 will be equal to 11. So 8k is equal to 11. K is equal to 11 over 8. So this is the value of k. Thanks dear students for watching.